Welcome to understanding the hold to start issue on your Maytag washer. The hold to start feature is a safety mechanism designed to prevent accidental starts. It requires you to press and hold the start button for 2 to 3 seconds until you hear a beep or see it illuminate. When this feature isn't working properly, the washer won't start at all. Even if you press and hold the start button as usual, nothing happens. No beep, no illumination, no cycle beginning. This is a common issue that often stems from the control lock being accidentally activated, user interface glitches caused by power surges or incomplete cycles, or a faulty start button. Understanding this hold to start issue is the first step to fixing your Maytag washer and saving both time and money. The control lock disables the buttons to prevent unintended changes, indicated by a padlock icon on the display. Accidentally activating it is a common cause of the hold to start malfunction. To disable it, press and hold the designated button, usually labeled Control Lock or a key symbol, for 3 to 5 seconds until the padlock disappears. Refer to your Maytag washer's manual for the exact button combination, as it varies by model. If this resolves the issue, you're all set. A user interface glitch can freeze the washer controls, preventing the start button from working. A simple reset often resolves this. Unplug your Maytag washer from the power outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal capacitors to discharge, effectively rebooting the system without losing any settings. Plug the washer back in and try the hold to start button again. This method resolves most temporary software errors. Many newer Maytag washers integrate with the Maytag Connect app, offering error code diagnostics and guided reset procedures. If the unplug method doesn't work, download the app, connect your washer if it's a smart model, and run a diagnostic test. The app will display error codes like F0 for UI failure or DL for door lock fault, and provide step-by-step instructions for resolving the issue. Firmware updates available through the app can also fix known bugs affecting the hold to start function. If the control lock and UI reset don't work, the start button itself might be faulty. Carefully inspect the button for any physical damage or debris. Look for cracks, corrosion, or buildup that could prevent proper operation. If possible, use a multimeter to test the button's continuity. Set the meter to continuity mode and check if there's a connection when the button is pressed. If the button doesn't register a connection when pressed, it needs to be replaced. This indicates a faulty switch or wiring. This often requires removing the control panel for access. Follow safety precautions and refer to your model's manual for proper disassembly. Replacing the start button involves disassembling the washer's control panel. If you're comfortable with appliance repair, you can order a replacement start button and follow online tutorials. Otherwise, hire a qualified technician to ensure the repair is done correctly and avoid further damage. Start by disassembling the washer's control panel to access the start button components. For DIY repair, order a replacement start button specific to your model and follow step-by-step online tutorials for installation. If you're not comfortable with repairs, hire a qualified appliance technician. This ensures the repair is done correctly and prevents additional damage to your washer. Control board issues can cause major problems in Maytag washers, especially after power surges. This is often a complex problem requiring professional help. Common symptoms include buttons that don't respond, error codes that persist even after resets, and unpredictable washer behavior, like cycles starting or stopping unexpectedly. The main control board, part number 12007, can fail due to power surges, physical wear over time, or software glitches in older models. This is a complex issue that typically requires professional diagnosis. Board replacement costs $150 to $300 and is often the only solution for older washers. Newer Maytag washers feature enhanced diagnostics that can pinpoint board failures using sensors and app notifications, making troubleshooting easier. To prevent future hold-to-start issues in your Maytag washer, implement these key measures and stay ahead with emerging trends. First, Use a surge protector to safeguard against power fluctuations that can cause control board failures. Regularly clean the control panel to prevent debris buildup that can interfere with button responsiveness. Keep your washer's firmware updated via the Maytag app to fix software glitches before they cause issues. Looking ahead, smart washers with AI-assisted diagnostics will proactively detect and resolve issues, reducing manual troubleshooting. Eco-friendly designs with modular parts will simplify repairs and reduce environmental impact. By 2030, expect voice control to override button issues entirely, making washers fully hands-free.